Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips By unboxing. This is a subscription for teas, and this is my October box. On the back of here it shows you all the teas, so I'll go over that at the end. Every box that I get includes some fillable tea bags. Some refillable tea bags. And here's some loose leaf tea. This is Cool Green Mint. Peppermint, lemongrass, cinnamon, orange peel, and crystallized ginger. I bet that's really good. And then there are some that are already in individual little packets. This is black tea called Apple Refresh. Sounds pretty good as well. Flavor of apple. I would probably like that. Then some more loose leaf tea. We have Blood Orange Boost Super Orange by David's Tea. Citrusy and tart, it says. And then some Dandelion Red Chai Tea. That is caffeine free, prebiotic, acid free, and gluten free. Pretty good selection this month. I do like dandelion tea. So on here, my box, it comes with low caffeine, caffeine free, another caffeine free, and high caffeine. So you can personalize what types of tea you like and don't like, and then they curate a box based on that. So it's really easy. I will put a link below in case you want to sign up for a subscription. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.